The Supreme Court of India pulls up Kerala again. The LDF government in Kerala has been pulled up by the Apex Court and Kerala High Court for many legal and logical lapses recently. The government faced the heat of the top court in the Assembly Ruckus case. The High Court was critical of the government in the salary challenge. Again, the government was pulled up for paying salary for employees on striking days. This time, the Apex Court had been critical of the government in relaxing COVID-19 restrictions for Bakrid. The court observed that the decision was wrong as the spike was on a rise in Kerala. The test positivity rate was high in many places. The top court observed that there was no difference in this case and the Kanwar Yatra case. The Supreme Court had stalled celebrations as part of Kanwar Yatra in UP earlier. The court was acting on an intervention application filed by Delhi-based Malayali PKD Nambiar against the COVID protocol relaxations. Terming the situation as a shocking one, the judges criticized for succumbing to the demands of traders. The court also cautioned the state government to face consequences in the event of any spread of the virus on account of the relaxations. Anyone can intimate lapses in COVID protocols, the court pointed out. The court asserted that it would take appropriate action in the event of a spread due to the lockdown relaxations. No pressure should override the right of life of citizens, the court observed. The bench of Justice R.F. Nariman and B.R. Gawai directed the state government to give heed to Article 21, read with Article 144 of the Constitution. The court instructed the government to follow its orders given in the Kanwar Yatra case. The division bench also said it was not quashing the government decision as Tuesday was the end day of the relaxations. It was on July 17th that the Chief Minister announced relaxations in view of Bakrid celebrations on July 21st. The government was under pressure to open shops, jewelleries, fancy stores, electronic and home appliances shops and others. The government allowed opening up for 3 days from July 18th to 20th. On Monday, the court had asked the state to respond to the application filed by Nambiar. The Kerala government filed its affidavit on Monday. It said the COVID-19 curbs had caused a lot of misery and traders who had stocked goods wanted the shops opened. The traders were aiming the Bakrid sales to alleviate their misery to a certain extent. However, the bench of the top court pulled up the government for bowing to pressure and directed them to follow Kanwar Yatra order. Accordingly, the relaxations were rolled back and strict restrictions including weekend lockdown were replaced from Wednesday. Not only the Eidgahs in public spaces were banned, but the numbers of believers in mosques were restricted to 40. Things are back to square one again.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.